The KOSPI, the nation's benchmark index, slumped to this year's lowest level following sharp losses on Wall Street. It's believed foreign investors were spooked by growing uncertainties stemming from the Washington-Beijing trade war, contagion in emerging markets, and a widening rate gap between South Korea and the United States. For details, let's turn to our Kim Ji-yeon.
Tracking losses on Wall Street, South Korea's benchmark KOSPI closed on Thursday at the lowest level so far this year, at under 2,130 points. That's a drop of more than 4% from the previous day, the seventh session in a row declines. On Thursday alone, foreign investors on the main index are estimated to have sold shares worth more than $521.7 million. The Korean currency also depreciated by 10 won from the previous day, to trade at around 1,144 won against the greenback, as investors try to reduce the risk of loss from fluctuations in exchange rates. The jitters mainly stem from the growing trade tensions between China and the U.S., fears of contagion in emerging markets, as well as a growing key interest rate gap between Korea and the U.S. And it comes after Wall Street posted its worst single-day drop in months on Wednesday, with the Dow shedding more than 800 points to close at 25,598. The Nasdaq plummeted 4%, while the S&P 500 dropped 3.3%. In particular, the tech sector was badly hit. But the Dow and the S&P 500 recorded their biggest one-day drops since February, and for the Nasdaq, it was the biggest sell-off since June 2016. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.